Are you already recording? Oh my god.
Come on, I'm going to edit. If something is wrong, I will remove it. You know? Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Hi, everyone. Hi, Yumi.
Hi. Welcome to Melody's Kitchen. Today, we'll be showing you how to make buko salad. So yeah, first we will add the mixed fruits. It's so heavy. Oh gosh. And like this. Can you please quit stirring? Stirring fruits into your pot or whatever you're using. You will add the shredded buko. Then you will add your nata. Oh gosh. I don't like, oh, that's nice though. And also diced up Eden cheese. Then we're also going to add Angel's condensed milk, 2 cans, then we're also going to put 3 Nestl's all-purpose cream, okay, I think this is overfill. Ew. Then we mix. You want to bring all the stuff from the bottom and put them on top. I'm going to taste it.
What's the taste? Oh, very good.
Now you are done making your buko salad. We're going to put it in a container. Then we will put it in the fridge so it can be chilled before it could be served. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.